It was Valentine's Day weekend, and my best friend's aunt very kindly lent us her Georgetown home for a few days. So we packed up our stuff, threw Belly in the trunk, and took a drive up north. Okay, we got to our location, and Greg is paving the way for me to walk to the house. So we've arrived to our stay for the weekend. And we're just settling in. Look at this plant. Dream plant. But check out this view, you guys.
I belong to you. I belong to you.
Okay, I might be one of the last people on earth to ever try snowshoeing, but our neighbor gifted us some this winter and I really wanted to try them out, even though I have a big old belly to lug around.
Alright, should start walking.
Okay.
Take me to your heart.
Fireplace?
I belong to you. Take me to your soul.
You fell, yes.
Because a stick got caught on my shoe and I couldn't move. So my shoe stayed, I fell. But other than that, it's really tough.
So if you're snowshoeing, watch out for sticks. We're all bundled up, so I feel pretty good. And honestly, minimal effort with these. I think I like it. I think I like it a lot. Bella was pretty beat after our little snowshoeing adventure and we were starving. So Greg went to the market and got some stuff for dinner. I think we all know by now who the cook in the family is, and it's not me. But I stick around for the snacks. I can't believe this is the last Valentine's Day, just the two of us.
After the appetizer is calamari.
Oh, wow.
And for main course, we're gonna have some grilling, some steaks with some organic root vegetable and some sauteed kale. You're gonna have a special drink tonight.
What? That's a lot of sugar.
And we got some strawberries for our pot de creme dipping chocolate.